In this video, I will tell you how to convert your image into a cartoon. For that, the process is very simple. There are a bunch of tools online that are available. For example, you can go with the Midjourney, and there are other capable tools and applications on Android phone that will convert your picture into a cartoon. Midjourney, Pixart, Canva. These are some of the software that can help you out in this part. So first thing first is that make sure you hit up canva.com and go to the created design option. And in the created design option, simply go to a Instagram post or a square, or you can simply upload a picture. Now, what you have to do on your left hand side, when the portal will open up, you will see there's an option for a Cartoonify. The app and search for Cartoonify, and you will see Cartoonify mentioned right here. So simply go ahead and click on that, and you will see that it says make your image look like cartoon, and simply go ahead and click on open it. So now we have opened this portal up. We have to give some permissions to it. Now you guys can see that I can upload a photo right here, and I'm given one credit for today. So if you guys need to buy more credits, you can get the premium plan. And as of for the free plan, you just get one credit per single day. So just go ahead and click on choose file option and simply upload a photo that you want to convert into a cartoon. So I just uploaded a photo and I will convert this photo into a cartoon. Wait a second till the photo has been converted. So here you guys can see that now my picture has been converted into a cartoon. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye-bye.